welcome back to Should Be Committed. I've got a Nathan today, and
a big black cauldron. Look at this thing.
we're gonna do some spooky crafting, and we're gonna make one of those like cauldrons where it's got fake bubbles with Christmas ornaments, and one of these water things with the lights.
A diffuser.
Yeah, a diffuser. We're gonna do that. And we'll put that in there, and you'll see all the steps as we're doing them. But that's what we're going to do today.
Spooky.
Spookastic. And while we do that, we are going to be drinking Angryorchard hard ciders, but they have like a spooky season pack. So there's 4 of them.
Yeah, it's like...
Berry Bewitched. Are you ready? 1, 2.
I jumped the gun.
Oh, it's purple. Cheers.
I can't place the berry.
Like...
It's almost grapey, but that's not a berry, so I don't know.
It's like...
Maybe it's the purple messing with my head. I don't know.
It's apple with a side of NyQuil, kind of, right?
Cough syrup, like, yeah.
My new beautiful brumate trio. Look how pretty. Step 1 was to have Nathan alter my cauldron.
Put a hole in the bottom.
Then we can...
The cord can get through there.
I have this piece of Amazon box that I'm going to put like down in here. I'm like going to be able to set it on top, and then we're going to glue the little fuckers onto this.
Tracing a circle. Tracing a circle.
I kind of walk people through what I'm doing, but I really don't care if you do it or not, so. Okay, so that is that big, and I need to cut it down because I want it to like sit inside of it a little bit, so I should have been cutting. I should have thought of that.
More cough syrup.
I feel like nothing has happened.
I don't know.
What the
I feel like we could have done this in a different way.
We could have.
Way more efficient.
We could have, okay? Suck it right now. All right, bud. Oh my God, this is so frustrating. Okay.
Cough syrup.
If this is the hardest part of this,
this is either going to be pretty close or it's going to completely screw it up. We're going to have to start over. Fingers crossed. Oh my God. Hey, that's pretty good.
fuck it. I will. So I think we should just rip these little things off. Bubbles don't have silver things, right? Save my balls! Oh no. They do look like a bunch of bubbles.
Got it.
I'm just gonna start, and then you can follow my lead. But always have the little nubbin facing like away from, it's not gonna be out in the outdoor woods.
Makes sense. Bubbles don't have nubbins. I got a distinct feeling that glue stick just ejected itself.
It fucking shot at me.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I feel like I'm gonna glue about 0% of these the way this is going.
Do you want to not glue it? You just want to hold it for me?
Probably.
Okay.
Well, the ones that I was probably capable of gluing, she just did all of them. And it's only gonna get progressively harder.
Finish the berry.
There's like half a can left.
Not to brag, but this already looks pretty good. Ooh, it's got Jason.
Blood orange.
I don't know. All right, ready?
See, I went too fast last time, and then I was scared, and then I was too slow this time.
This smells yummy. So all of them are going to be apple and then whatever the hell it is. So apple orange. That is very orange, blood orange forward.
It's almost like orange juice.
It's like
pretty
tang.
Sweet. It's pretty sweet. Oh, there you go.
This is looking good.
I'm just gonna sneak these in here.
Oh, why, thank you, kind sir. This is coming along so quickly, guys. Like, we have 4 drinks to drink, and this is not taking very long. So, like,
Yeah.
ugh! Okay, you stringy bitch.
My favorite part of this, that definitely isn't showing up on camera, so you just look like you have Tourette's or something.
Dude, the freaking strings. Okay, guys, if you work with hot glue, how do you prevent this? Because I honestly really, really need to know, because I hate this. Drink faster. We have 4. I probably should have looked at where's the back. Oh, the back's like right here. Oh, fuck. Okay, so that's the back.
It doesn't matter. That entire thing moves, right? Comes off.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Ow, you fuck. Okay.
Hot glue is hot. We'll obviously finish the craft. It's like enclosed. But I have a sneaking suspicion that she's going to want it to be more full. So there may be...
You don't want it to be extremely full, though, because then the smoke can't come out.
Why does? Yes. You want it to be voluptuous. I don't know. Well,
I want your bubbles to be voluptuous.
I don't know. I don't know. Tang-tastic.
I loved Tang. Tang was delicious. So
It reminds me of the sourdough in Brooklyn Nine-Nine. We're in
The Tang-
We're in Tang Town.
you're so stupid. Look at this bubbly bitch, right? Like, it's looking good.
Tang Town.
So this one is headless pumpkin. 1, 2.
You win on 2.
Smells nutmeggy.
This is gonna be pumpkin pie.
Oh, Jesus. That is very, very flavor forward, guys. Extremely flavorful. Yeah. Honestly, that's delicious. Ow! Fuck you too.
For the second time.
Rude ass bitch.
Hot glue is hot.
See, look, and then we can easily take this off and put it back on, and all the whatnots and the what's.
This one is worse than the orange one.
So this is your second place right now, though.
Yeah, because something has to go horribly wrong for Barry not to be worst place.
I like this better. Like, we're basically done. I just gotta put water in this bitch. We have a whole nother drink to drink. Pour it in this bitch. This one is sinful apple.
Like with a C.
Like cinnamon. 1, 2.
Nailed it last time. For cinnamon.
It kind of smells like a foot.
Here's our foot cider.
That is cinnamon.
It's very cinnamony. Orange, pumpkin, cinnamon, berry. Berry's garbage.
I'm gonna say pumpkin, orange, cinnamon, berry.
I can go. Worst place.
The berry was very NyQuil. Thank you for committing with me, and thank you for being my moral support during this.
Yeah, because I didn't do anything. Let's be real. I drew a hole off camera in the bottom of the cauldron. Did you just sinful apple your eye? Thank you for committing with her.
So like, subscribe. Share this with your friends. Share this with your dog. See if they react to Lana being an asshat.